Alright guys, Crockpot cooking here, 101. Just some stuff I had in the refrigerator I'm going to cook up. I got some beef broth here I'm going to use. I got some broccoli, onions, a bunch of garlic and hot peppers, cauliflower, green pepper, and celery. And I got a bunch of cooked ham. I'm just going to throw it all in the pot and let it rip potato chip. Alright, so put the cauliflower in there. Broccoli. Ham. Green pepper and celery. Oh, I gotta cut that up. And the onions. Got a whole bunch of garlic in there. Look at it all. Yeehaw! Beef broth. Gonna add a little bit of water to it, looks like. It's just what I had in the refrigerator I'm kind of using up, and we'll just plug it in and let it go. Put it on high and just let it chooch, mama. Some salt and pepper in there probably. Fine seasoning. Salt. Black pepper. Mix it up a little bit and let it rip potato chip. I could throw in there a thing of rice pilaf too if I want. Kick it up a little bit. I'm going to have to add a little bit more water because of the rice. And just set it, cover it up, set it and forget it. Yeah, it's about 8:45 in the morning. So we'll let it cook most of the day. Let's see if it's done. Let's go check the cauliflower. That's done. Check a piece of cauliflower. Oh, Don't want to overcook it. Nice little meal. Yum. I'm gonna shut it off now. I don't want to overcook it. Alright guys, here you go. There's a finished product. Just stuff I had in the refrigerator. Zapped it in the crock pot, cooked it up. Vegetables, and you know, I did add the rice to it. And, looks good to me. How Real Working Man Cook series. You want some baked chicken? You love chicken. You love chicken. You want some chicken? You want some of Daddy's cooking? Yeah, I know you love Daddy's cooking. You love Daddy's cooking. Yeah, you love chicken. Alright guys, I got some chicken thighs here. 6 of them. I put some poultry seasoning, Italian seasoning, some ground pepper, and this garlic salt on there. Gonna bake it for 350 and let it rip potato chip. Yeehaw, Mama! She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. Oh, you want to go outside? It's snowing out. I don't think you're going to want to go out. You want to go outside. You want to go out. You want to go outside? Are you sure? Are you sure? Alright. You want to go outside? Alright, let's go. Let's go outside. Let's go. What happened? You want to go out? You want to go out in the snow? Miss Molly. Come on, let's go. Come on. What happened there, Mrs. Molly? Oh, yeah, you don't want to go out in the snow. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Where you going? Get back here. She won't go out in the snow. Little diva. She's not doing the snow, Mama. She ain't doing the snow.